Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Taobao Chinese shopping app. In today's video, I will show you on how to easily track your refund progress on Taobao and how to be sure if your money was actually returned by the store on Taobao Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want to procure anything from 168, Taobao, pinduoduo, or you want me to be a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund a holiday account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Taobao shopping app. Now, if you open up your Taobao shopping app, next thing you need to do is to click on the profile icon to proceed. That's going to take you right here. Now, once your refund progress has been solved, the product you make request for will no longer be found right here. So you can see an notification from Taobao right here. Now, for you to track the progress of your refund, what you need to do is to click on here. Then the product you request a refund for is going to be found right here. Now, how to be sure that the refund progress has been completed? Click on here. Then you have it right here. So you can easily see that the refund has been successfully completed. Now, in this tutorial, and now in this part, now from this particular store right here, I make use of Alipay to pay the store. So what we want to do is to go ahead and check my Alipay for confirmation of the refund. So I'm going to access from my Taobao right here, and I will go ahead and click on my Alipay right here. So after open up my Alipay, next thing I need to do is to click on here to check on the service message. Then I go ahead and click on notifications right here. And I go ahead and click on payments right here. So here we go. We have a refund notice from Taobao. You can see the Taobao icon. So if I click on here now to open up the refund details, you see that the refund is coming from Taobao, just like what you see right here. Just like what you see right here, refund successful. Is that simple. So this is how to track your refund progress on Taobao after you apply for a refund from any store. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import products from China using Taobao Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.